Today I'm just gonna walk up to a stranger and ask her to be my gym mate. Hello.
Hello.
Can you be my gym mate? Hi everyone, this is Steven and this is? Hi Fiona, how are you going? Thanks Fiona for being part of the 50 Gymmers in 50 Weeks series, where we believe that fitness is for everyone and let's make the fitness journey fun for everyone as well. Now there is a link at the below if you guys are interested in knowing about all the workout routine by different gym mates. You can get it actually from below. Now smash the like button and then we'll quickly get started. Now Fiona, what do you do for work by the way?
I work in finance.
You work in finance. And why do you like workout?
So I can eat as much as I want and drink as much as I want.
I like that. That's exactly how I do that as well. That's fantastic. That's the first time I heard that. But yeah, we're always talking about that among the friends. But you're the first one to say it. That was very good. Very good. I really like that. Next time I'll ask you what sort of food you like, okay? Now, how many times do you come to work out every week?
I try 3-4 times.
3-4 times, yes. So most of the time you come Monday and Saturday, definitely, isn't it?
Yeah.
For the attack.
And then maybe Thursday or Friday.
Okay, very good. So, do you have days that you don't feel like coming to work out? Yeah. And how do you motivate yourself?
Well, most of the days I don't feel motivated is because I either have a really long day or there's not a class that I really like. So just kind of find other things you can do either at home or actually your body tells you need to work out.
Okay, good. So do you find that it's as effective if you do it at home?
I try. It's definitely not.
That's good. Very honest answer. Very honest answer. But anyway, we always like to see you on Monday here anyway. Now most of us have friends and family members that doesn't really like to have the habits of working out. Now, I'm pretty sure you may have someone like that as well. What do you want to say to them? Yeah.
Do the things that you like and maybe get a friend to hold you accountable.
Yes. Ask them to come to be part of the 50 Gymmers. Then you hold them accountable, isn't it? All right. Well, Fiona, I just would like to take the opportunity to acknowledge you being part of my Gymmers here. Really, every Monday, actually, when I come here to work out, really looking forward to staying behind you or beside you for the workout. And thank you for that. And one last question: what skin products do you actually use? You got such a baby smooth skin.
Korean and SK2.
All right, we're not affiliated with SK2 at all. All right.
Sponsor me.
Very nice, very nice. All right, guys. Well, like and subscribe, and if you want to see more video like this. And Fiona, thank you so much for your time. All right, I'll see you around. Bye. And what is the next question? That one. What do you like working out? No, I forgot. Yeah. What would